Guys, so here we are back at the custom job. It's day 3. Now we're going to be trimming out in black. This might go into 2 phases depending on the detail they want, but we're going to start out with the trimming. So we're going to get going on taping and masking everything off because it's black that we're going to be spraying for the trim. Alright, so we're using the Sharp Line blue tape, the multi-surface. We're going to go along the grout lines. We're actually going to go along the tile line. However, the tile's not perfectly straight. So we're going to do our best and just kind of go with it. So as you can see over in this area, the tile's not straight, not in line. So we're just going to make it as straight as possible. And these tiles are they're all over the place.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm getting the best I can.
Yeah.
It'll still look very clean. Here we are, we're continuing to mask off, getting ready to spray the black trim. And we're gonna decide if there's gonna be a diamond here, 2 diamonds, or 1 diamond here, or none, we don't know. All right, almost done. We're getting the details down. So we're gonna fill in this area, and then we've got to do the same pattern. We're gonna mirror it right here. And then this whole wall gets covered. Then we're gonna go ahead and spray the black.
All right, so we're gonna get ready to spray the black trim. Gonna go all here, up and around. Here we go, down and around.
So here we are, all sprayed up, but we've got to come back. As you can see, there's areas where it bled through, so I've got to come through and clean all those up around the edges. Real difficult with the tile, but we'll get it all cleaned up. But overall, it's starting to look real good. And then we got to do a wipe down, a polish of the counter, final polish of everything.